Hindi mapindot.
Baka nga sa madilim. Hindi ka mo.
Hindi nga mapindot.
Sa madilim ka. Para makita mo.
Puro ka madilim dyan. Kaya...
Namimita sa mat.
Tago mo sa... Tago mo sa bag mo.
Ano na yung bag ko?
Bang.
Kain tayo.
Ate, magsabagang.
Tayo.
The drillers are performing the letter PMC. It stands for Philippine Marine Corps, the representative of the best in soldiery. This salve exhibition is rendered to all guests who are with us today. Now, cover your ears as they offer their initial salvo to officially welcome you all in this occasion.
Ate, cover your ears. Samahan tayo dito.
They perform the exchange of rifle. The exchange of rifle, the symbol sharing, is vital to the Corps. Sharing of knowledge, wisdom, and traditions, which what represent the Marines, is no different from Marines that came ahead of them. The next formation you're about to see is the anchor. In amphibious operations, the dropping of the anchor, signal to start, aggressive assault in a beachhead. But it's time, signal to start, a series of live exhibition showcasing discipline, brotherhood, and camaraderie. Among the few, the proud, the Marines. The Philippine Marine Corps has 4 tactical brigade, a combat service support brigade with 5 combat service support battalion, coastal defense regiment, a reserve brigade, 12 rifle battalions, Marine Special Operation Group, Marine Corps Post Development Center, Headquarters Quarters Service Group, the Marine Security Escort Group, where the trailers belong. Brace yourself for another salvo as a tribute to the Philippine Navy, the mother unit of the Philippine Marine Corps. Rifle rotation. You're about to see is one of the most difficult portions of these exhibitions. They will now execute the extremely dangerous dropping motions with precision, courage, teamwork, and trust of fellow Marines. This shows the type of attitude the Marines should have in the conduct of offensive combat operations, where they have nowhere else to go but to charge forward. It is done without hesitation, or to hesitate, and to retreat without even a fractions without seconds. Will mean injury for any prior. With such display aggressiveness in actions, no wonder we have earned a title, Cutting Edge, Armed Forces of the Philippines. The drillers are performing the X formation. This formation signifies the interrelationship in close bonding among brother Marines. This is unique in long-term traditions in the Marine Corps. Since creations in 1950s, the Marines have their share of blood that drop in the beaches in the island of Sulu, Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, Central Mindanao, and the travel spots across the country. In like manner, symbolize the legend of Marine, spirit core, and loyalty to his comrades in arms. The essence of brotherhood is never-ending bond that holds the Corps, to the saying that once a Marines, always a Marines. Now, cover your ears as they offer the final salvo as a gratitude for being with us today. We support the Philippine Navy's visions by 2028 as modern multi-capable. The Philippine Marines has focused on modernizations and development of National Amphibious Force, coastal defense, special operations, humanitarian assistance, and disaster relief. The distinctiveness of drill exhibitions embodies the kind of character, attitude, and professionalism within combat or drills and ceremonies. Truly unique to be considered the cutting edge, the armed forces of the Philippines, and the representative of the best in soldiery.
Buka lang dyan. Buka lang dyan. Sit down, Andre. Ayun si Papa Bio. Anin? Ayun si Papa ko. Nandun sa 6. Oo, bilang ka. 1 to 6. Dali.
Inspections of individual drill members para maintaining the highest degree of efficiency expected from them. The platoon sergeant will conduct a series of random inspections which will be done in breathtaking executions. Hold your breath and watch how members are drill team twist, turn, and toss their M1 Garand rifle until the scrutinizing guy, the equally snappy platoon sergeant.
Ayun, katabi nung nag-ano.
Tabi nung nag-iikot. Ah.
Zoom natin.
Sundin siya.
Oh, si Papa yan. Ayan.
Tingnan na, niluto ka.
The M1 Garand rifle, semi-automatic rifle, used by the United States Army from 1936 to 1959. The rifle was named after designer John Garand. It was the first standard issue semi-automatic military rifle. The Garand officially replaced in the bolt actions in 1903 Springfield the standard service rifle. U.S. forces in 1936 subsequently replaced Foreign 14 starting 1959. During World War II, the M1 gave U.S. forces a distinct advantage in firefights against their Axis enemies, as the standard issue rifles were effective than Axis firing bolt action rifles. The M1 continued to be used large number until 1963, into lesser degree until 1976. Today, the M1 remains in use for drill purposes.
Ito.
Sabi niya kanina. Kinuha yung baril.
The M1 is an air-cooled, gas-operated, cliffed, semi-automatic shoulder-fired weapon. It weighs 431 kilograms to 5.3 kilograms, with total length of 43.5 inches and a barrel length of 24 inches. Thus, rate of fire about 40-50 rounds per minute, and effective firing range of 500 yards.
Wala naman siya itong baril.
Ay, huwag na kalams kaysa mag-ingay pa.
Tinatandaan mo ba dapat nila yung pesa nila? Ha?
Bibili nila ako ng anak ko ilang lang.
Yes! Hindi pa rin pa rin.
Hindi maliit na hotel. Maliit na sa apat.
Nice. Ay, nalagdagan si Sir.
Katawanan natin hindi.
Kaya nalaglag yung
Si Papa.
Nalaglag!
Si Papa.
Muna kanina. Ayun, nalaglag yung baril dun. Ayun o. Yung nakawak ng baril.
Kaya
May
natin kay Papa
may ano?
mamaya kung
May
sino yun.
manonood dyan. May manonood dyan. Mama, ano? Pamilya na?
Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you is a drill team members of the Philippine Marine Corps manifesting the finest traditions of karangalan, katungkulan, at kabayanihan.
Kuyak-kuyak naman kayo na.
A ready force to defend the country against foreign aggressors and enemies from within. A ready force that can be deployed in the part of the country at the shortest possible time. A ready force that is relevant and ready for any national emergency situations.
Natatawa si Papa. Kita mo natatawa si Papa. Gusto mo na natin. Nalaga pa.
Kasi magiging
Mas Papa na kayo na.
Kaya pala ganyan sigaw. Wow! Kasi
pinigilan nila yung lambo nila. Pinigilan nila yung tao. Oh! Ito. Oh!
Wait lang nanin.
That concludes the silent exhibition this afternoon. From amphibious war fighters of the Philippine Marine Corps, Philippine Navy, thank you for watching and a good afternoon to everyone.
Dito nagtatapos ang silent reel exhibition na inihandog ng National Parks Development Committee katuwang ang Department of Tourism at Armed Forces of the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkay at panonood ng
Clams,
silent reel
clams.
exhibition.
Galing.
Nagkita-kita tayo ng isang linggo ng buwang ito, alas 4 ng hapon, upang saksihan ang changing of the guard ceremony tungkol sa Philippine Marine Corps. Nawa ay naging ang inyong pagbisita sa Nilasang Luzon. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon. We have just witnessed the silent reel exhibition presented to me by the National Parks Development Committee in collaboration with the Department of Tourism and Armed Forces of the Philippines. We thank everyone for joining us in witnessing the silent reel exhibition. We hope to see you again
Galing yung
on the next
dalawa.
edition.